I am making a big mistake and I need you guys to stop me.
Guys, mirror, amor. Guys, mirror, amor. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell button.
Hey lovers, you're tuned in to Casimir Moore. So, I have this wig on, and I don't think I like it. And this is probably gonna stay on for just one day, I think. But it's not even on. We're gonna put it on. Cause look, I still could do this.
Oh shit!
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, click that bell button so you can be notified every time I post, because why wouldn't you? See, I don't know how to put on a wig. Like, I don't see the, oh yeah, I can't see it. I don't know how to put on a wig. Like, how do you put on a wig? Hey, it's voice over me, Casimir Moore. Anyway, so like, basically, I like just try to fix it. I don't even know what I was doing. I just went with the flow, and I don't know, I like fixed it to see like where I was gonna put it, you know, that. And then after I did that, I pinned it up so I could put the glue and everything, and then I just started gluing it down. Like, I used a blow dryer to like dry it, but I didn't get it let it like when it's dry. I put it on when it's like a little bit wet, then I dried it when it was on my thing. You just keep watching. I mean, I'm gonna like kind of cut some of it because it was like so long. It was like an hour, so just enjoy. Alright, so I glued it on, but there's like a lot of glue left. So I'm gonna take alcohol, some paper, and like kind of take some glue off. This is not a tutorial, one, because this is my first time doing it. I'm just like showing you guys. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is not a tutorial, just to let you guys know. I'm just gonna use this to take the glue off. Okay, I kind of cleaned it up a little bit, but now I'm onto the edges, and I have this to like wrap my hair down so I could curl it, because I don't want it straight. I want it curled because I want it curled. That's okay. So I like cleaned it a little bit. What lace, girl? Oh, now I've got this on. I'm gonna wand curl my, well, what's in my hair? I'm gonna wand curl the wig. I'm gonna curl it. I'm gonna curl it. It is plugged in. It's plugged in. It's plugged in. I stir. Stir. Once I'm like up to like here, like, I'll be back. Okay guys, up to the last one, no help at all, I promise you. But this is not a wavy hair. This is not a body wave hair, it's a straight hair. So I guess I'm gonna have to like wand curl it every day. But I'm only gonna keep it for like 2 days, and after that I'm taking it out. I don't want it in my hair. Boom, bam, boom. Now I'm just gonna run my fingers through it just to get the curls bouncy, get that wavy look. Oh my gosh, this took me all day, literally. I started like 4, I think it's like 6 now. It's either 6, 7, or 8. It's one of these. First is down.
Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Get up on the floor, dancing on the low. Get up on the floor, dancing to the break of dawn. Get up on the floor, dancing to the break of dawn. Get up on the.
Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe with that bell button so you can be notified every time I post. Because why wouldn't you? And also go in the description down below and go follow my Twitter and my Instagram. And make sure to share this video so all your friends can see me, Casimir, and more. Like I always say, think positive, stay humble. Bye.